Now there's more components to this, right? Back in the days, like you said, like the reference you said, is a mainframe. There's a one big component, and now you have several smaller components. Those smaller components also need to be maintained and supervised, just so when to avoid any fault, to avoid any potential failure in the future. So you want to avoid those, and you have more equipment to take care of. Somebody needs to be aware, and somebody needs to be notified that this needs to be done in a timely manner. And obviously, that person or that team of persons needs to have evidence that this was done on time and with photographic evidence. And obviously, the GPS with also will make evident that if it was they were on the premises. So I think a solution like ours, even though maybe it's a small ecosystem that you're talking about, but when you multiply that ecosystem to many buildings and many other communities, those needs to be taken care of and notified that they need to be maintained to avoid any problem.